There's Gulika, guys.
Hi.
And this is the project we're going to be working on. I said in the live stream on May 8th that we have something we're going to build, and here's the parts. There's the hardware. It's going to be a greenhouse. So there's the hardware and there's the software. That's the cover. Yeah, we're just starting. So this might be a couple-day project. Gulika was actually leveling the ground first. She wanted to pick a spot to put the greenhouse, like where she exactly wants it. And then she leveled it. So she dug some holes, and then we'll set it up in this area. So this is an Outsunny greenhouse, they call it. I got it from Amazon Canada. It's going to be 26 feet long, 10 feet wide, and about 6.5 feet, 7 feet high. And the instructions are nothing that great, but there's pictures, so we can follow by that. And if we make some mistakes, we might have to undo something and go again. It's like trial and error. But like I said, it could take a couple of days because we'll get the frame up first. Then I bought cedar boards. Actually, these cost $200. I have some more in the garage because they're kind of short. I'm going to have to cut and then add. So we're going to put a foundation like that, and then we're going to bolt it down with some metal clips. And then we want to put some posts in the corner. Might as well show you now. We'll just, each corner and the middle, because it's 26 feet. Because we want to anchor it down really good, because when it gets windy, these things are flimsy, right? They'll just take off. So let's get started, guys, and we'll show you in steps. So we got something up here. Ooh, ah, look at this. That's a brace that goes up. It's on both ends, the front and back of the greenhouse. We don't have it attached to the cedar boards yet. You just have them down there. Doesn't look like much, but this is taking us a bit because actually we made a couple of mistakes. We had one of this up and oh no, we got the post on the inside of that, and the brace goes on the inside and the outside post goes on that side. So small little things, like no major errors or nothing, but lots of pipes to go yet. And it's getting into the evening now, so I don't know how far we'll get. So we'll see what we can do, but we're definitely going to finish it in the next couple of days for sure, because once we get all this frame up, then we get the foundation in place and we attach the piping to that, and then get the posts in, and finally the cover. Yeah, we'll continue. We'll show you when we get a little farther. So guys, we got the whole bottom done. Exciting times, eh, Gulika?
Yeah, it's getting more and more exciting because it's starting to take shape. So
yeah, at first it was kind of boring. You start with the pipes on the ground and then you're putting some backwards and the bolt doesn't fit through.
Yeah, we made some errors. We would have been quite a ways into it, but we made some errors and mistakes and connected things wrong way and upside down and all kinds of. You just have to go through all this.
Small little things, but then we'd say, no, it goes the other way. Or the screw wouldn't fit through, so we had to bang it so it would fit and stuff like that. So let's take a look, guys. It's half done. It's half up, I should say. This is the whole bottom now. So now we're going to start attaching the top. And this will be the front door here. There's the software over there, the cover. And then the back is there. So yeah, we're pretty happy. We're doing pretty good. It's starting to get later, guys, so we're probably going to do 2 videos. We'll end this first video when the frame is all up. Like, be all framed, is totally standing up. And then the next video will be fastening it to the foundation and then getting that cover on. So we're going to continue now.
Trying to get the frame together before dark, and it's getting quite dim already. Isn't it nice? We actually do have pretty bright yard light, but you still need to see details, so we're gonna probably call it good when it gets too dark. So, cause it will gonna be another day's worth project anyway. So we're gonna continue tomorrow.
So guys, it's getting a lot darker than it looks on camera right now, and I've been dropping some bolts and stuff. So I'm gonna continue in the morning, but it looks pretty good right now. Just about done the frame, but it's going to be dark pretty soon and we won't see anything. So for you guys, the video will continue. this is still the same video, so see you in the morning. So it's the next day, guys. Beautiful sunny day, and we can see, and so we got to put the rest of the pipes right across, 3 on each side, going all the way to the back. Then it's the frame will be done. And like I said earlier in the video, which it's the next day for us, but the same video for you guys. We're just gonna finish the frame off here and end this video, because the next video is going to be about securing your greenhouse. You just don't want to put this up and just leave it like this. There's Gulika.
Hi.
We put the top pipe up loosely, and now she's tightening the bolts onto those screws. She's enjoying doing this, guys. This is what she likes to do, right, Gulika?
Yeah, I like making things with my hands, like constructing and building and creating. I like that.
Now, we didn't build this. This is obviously pre-made pipes, but you still got to put it together, guys. It doesn't get together itself.
I actually have an idea to build another greenhouse just out of wood.
It's a lot of ambition.
Over
Maybe over there. So yeah, we got the middle one up. She's just tightening them up now. So she wants to do all that. She's really enjoying this. I forget if I said earlier in the video, you need 2 people to build this greenhouse, because you get 3 pipes together sometimes, and you got to run a big screw through them and bolt them, and they're falling and everything, and you need the other person to hold it while the other one drives the screw through. So 2 people are necessary to construct this greenhouse. I would highly recommend that. Check it out, guys. She's working on the last pipe. I was helping her off camera too, so she didn't do all that. Like I said, you need 2 people. So the frame is all up now, guys. It's far from done though. You got to do some other steps, but the frame is up. So guys, we're going to end the video here at this point. And I want to say one more thing now you should do. When you're done your frame like this, check all the connections now. Every one. So, you know, before you put on the cover, you want to make sure those are all tight. I'll give you an example. The other day I went to put my windshield wipers on. I have an SUV, and one of them didn't work. The driver's side didn't work, and I'm going, what the heck? It's not that old of a vehicle, and I have a 20-year-old vehicle that the wipers still work there. And it sounded like it was turning. So then I lifted up the little cap where the wiper arm is. The nut was totally loose, and I'm thinking, how did that get loose? And I thought, oh yeah, I put a new windshield in a couple weeks ago. Took it to a place here in Canada, a windshield installer. They installed a new windshield. It was $800. I had insurance, so it wasn't that cost for me. But then I thought, that's what happened. The guy that put the wipers, he'd have to take the wiper blades off, like the arms, to take the windshield off, right? They got to take a bunch of stuff off. So he tightened down the passenger side, but not the driver. So I could have lost that wiper. I'm going to give them a call about that, just to remind them. So in this step here, like, we're just amateurs. But check all your connections. So like I said, we'll end the video now. You enjoyed doing this part, Gulika?
Yeah, actually the further we got with the project, the more exciting it became, because I could just visualize it.
So probably to put the frame up, like totally with the frame and everything, like we did it in 2 different days, but probably about 4 hours if you add everything up, because we started last night. It took about 3 hours for that, and then we finish about an hour now. So look for the next video, guys. I'll link it below once it's up. Look for when we secure it with the foundation, and then we'll put the cover on. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.
See you.